The packaged solution Greywater recycling systems from INTEWA offer optimal integration possibilities for numerous new buildings and renovation projects due to their compact design. The runoff water, sourced from bathtubs, showers, and hand wash basins, serves as the foundation for the Greywater. The system consists of prefabricated, opaque, and reinforced indoor tanks with a small space requirement. Prior to entering the bioreactor, the Greywater undergoes pre-filtration using a high-efficiency pure rain filter. The filter sieve is automatically cleaned through a backflush nozzle. In the core of the plant, namely the membrane bioreactor, continuous purification occurs through biological degradation. This is achieved by bacteria that settle on the floating aqualoop growth bodies, which provide a large surface area. The purification process requires oxygen, which is efficiently supplied to the water through a pipe diffuser located at the system's bottom. Sediments are periodically removed by a sludge pump. The bioreactor also includes aqualoop membrane stations that purify the Greywater in an ultrafiltration stage. The membrane's extremely small pore width of 0.02 micrometers allows for the filtration of even the tiniest particles, such as bacteria and viruses. Membrane cleaning is performed periodically through backwashing and coarse air bubbles. Larger plants are equipped with a web-based iConnect control system. The associated cleaning technology automatically ensures high membrane filtration performance with minimal chemical input. This ensures high performance and low maintenance operation, particularly for larger setups. The filtered water is temporarily stored in a clear water tank for further use. The treated Greywater can now be utilized as process water. If necessary, UV treatment is applied for additional disinfection before the water is pumped to consumers. The crystal clear water is ideal for applications like toilet flushing, washing machines, or irrigation. Our packaged solution Greywater recycling systems can be easily integrated into new buildings and renovation projects, offering convenience and efficiency.